Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable the no feet toggle on like stockings and socks so that it won't go through shoes. I'm just going to put on some socks here and I'll just make it high like this. And then here, as you can see, if you put on shoes, the feet will go through and it will look really weird. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the socks again. Then you're going to toggle off the feet. As you can see, now it won't go through and it works for pretty much every shoe. It does still look weird with the Mary Janes. But like here on the boots, this is what it looks like after and this is what it looks like before. You can see that the heel goes through the shoes, so make sure you toggle on and off the feet on flatter shoes. It's not going to really affect it on like taller shoes, but if it's like short, here I'll show it in another example with these shoes. This is what it looks like with the no feet toggle, and this is what it looks like with the feet toggled on. So yeah, make sure you do that, and I hope that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.